What is up, everybody? It's your boy AronRSX, and I got something new for the RSX. Now, as you guys probably know, this is not a typical RSX bash bar. It is actually a BRZ, FRS, A6, whatever you want to call it, bash bar. It's not actually mine, so you guys haven't seen him in a while. His name is Austin, aka Drid. I'm gonna be painting this white for him. Hopefully it turns out pretty good, and let's get right into it. So a lot of things has happened in between that period of time, from that last clip to now. There are some pretty bad news and there is some pretty good news from out of it, but I'll just show you guys the bad news first. Alright, so here's the car now. I want you guys to look at the rear wheel. Look at the camber, right? Correct. You see the camber? Am I saying right? Alright, so oh my,
he needs some milk.
Y'all seeing the difference? Am I saying, like, I'm probably hitting at least like at least -10. Oh my goodness. Compare again, this side, that side. Oh my goodness. So what happened was I snapped the camber arm for this side, the passenger side. Luckily I got back home safe, and I did not drive it any further. It started to actually rub on the wheel well, and I was like, nope, I'm not taking this car anywhere no more. And yeah, like, I mean, it kind of looked good though. I did order some new Skunk 2 camera arms for the rear, and I bought new tires for the front since they are pretty much bald. I'm surprised the rears are not balding yet. Oh my god, look at that fitment. I didn't really think of it at first, but then once I started hearing the wheel well rub, oh my goodness, that's crazy. Okay, and then bam, sheesh. I'm most likely hitting -10 with this right now. Sheesh. Since I have to wait for the camera arms and the tires to come in, I'm gonna have to leave the car in here, and which was a mess. I have not touched it ever since I painted Austin's bash bars, so I'm gonna clean that right now. Well, this is going to be the last time in a couple weeks till I get So the good news I'm actually about is that I actually ordered KPro. I just ordered it today, and it's time for me to send it out. I really don't know what to expect. I don't know how long it's gonna be, but since the car is actually gonna be down for a week, might as well send my ECU in and then wait for that week, fix up the car, and then get it up and running a week after. And I'm gonna be driving automatic for the next 2-3 weeks, and I've done it before. I'm gonna do it again. I actually haven't driven in a long period of time without my car for I think 5 months, so since my birthday in October, and then I haven't drove it till February of last year. So yeah, I'll do it again. So it's for the better for the car. I know that I'm running pretty much lean and it's terrible for the car, so I'd rather have the car tuned and perfectly running rather than actually being so sluggish on the road. And yeah, like I feel a lot of torque dip and mid-range power loss after the Skunk 2 exhaust. So hopefully tuning the car will actually help the car a lot, make the car a lot faster. People are telling me that KPro is worth the 680, the 750 that I paid. And yeah, I am still going to be posting more RSX content. I'm going to try to hit -10 in the rears with the new camera arms. And I'm actually going to be helping Sebastian with his RX-8. So more content coming out soon with his car. And I'm actually going to let him take over the vlog for one video and see how he does. Get more comfortable in front of the camera and actually get prepared for actually vlogging and doing YouTube in the future. This is going to be his home in the next 2-3 weeks. It's gonna be worth it, but I'm just gonna be sad I won't be able to drive it anymore. And yeah, oh my goodness, y'all can't see how big of a difference this side is with this side. Oh my goodness, I can't believe that actually snapped on me. Oh my god, damn. All right, it's time to take off the ECU. And here it is, all exposed. There's 3 10mm bolts, one right here, and then one in the back. So let me just take these off real quick. It's hard to do this in one hand. There's one. Here's the second one. And the second one should be right here. Get that real quick. Let me just put you guys down real quick. Just like that, the ECU is unbolted. Now I have to take off these clips. All you're gonna need is a flathead and basically like pry it out. What I found is the trick is to put the flathead right here and then twist it up while you're holding the clip. And let me just take this off real quick. And just like that, the ECU is unclipped. All Honda needs is your ECU. And let me just show you guys what else you guys need to do when you're sending your ECU to KPro. Basically all you need to send to KPro or Honda is basically your ECU, the papers, including your, I think, confirmation or order number from wherever you got it from, which I got mine from K-Series Parts, and then the Honda KPro order form, which basically you have to fill out your engine type, your ECU serial number, and your VIN, and then you gotta sign some paper. I don't know, I just signed it. So yeah, all you need are these 3 papers and then the ECU, and that should be it. I will make sure to get a lot of bubble wrap because you know, you never know what's gonna happen. And yeah, this is all the basic stuff you need. There's gonna be more instructions that they give you through an email. So yeah, I'm gonna just wrap up the ECU and put the papers in the box. I got this from the USPS. So yeah, this is a free box. All you gotta pay is the actual shipping of the box. So yeah, put everything back together and I'll see you guys in a bit. So basically what I did was I put a layer of bubble wrap on the bottom. I wrapped the ECU all the way with bubble wrap as well, pretty secure. And then I put the order form right there and then put another layer of bubble wrap. I don't know, I feel like it's overdoing it, but you never know. So I'm gonna have this shipped out tomorrow morning, and yeah, there goes my ECU. I really don't know how long it's gonna be. They said 2-3 weeks, but since they're in LA, hopefully it'll be a little bit sooner. And yeah, more RSX content for you guys, especially when I'm tuned. I want to spit flames. I don't even know, but yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, please hit that like button. Comment down below what y'all think about the whole situation with my car and me buying KPro. And then subscribe if you're new. And I'll see y'all in the next vlog. This is AronRSX signing out. Peace.